This is a close quarter battle M4 JG with a 5,000 round box mag. That's Jeffy's dad's gun. This is my dad. He's got a JG AK-47 and he's got a gas blowback pistol. Baby High Kappa 3.8. This is Jeffy's guns. He's got a D-Boys M4. He's got a double round, or he's got 2 magazines, so you can just flip them around.
I got 3 more.
And he's got a full suit over there.
They make a you can buy it.
He's got HFC box cannon, carbine, gas sniper rifle. I have this crappy M8 spring gun I use for when other people come over. And I have a JG AK, or not AK, M4S system, and a carbine, gas carbine, MK2, or no, it's a Mark 1 gas. And I got a CO2 pistol, but it's not out here. And that's all of our guns.
Just take off. I want to get them.